What is statistics? It is the methodology for collecting, analyzing, interpreting, and drawing conclusions from information. In simple words, we can say that statistics consists of mathematical methods which are used to summarize, analyze, and interpret a group of numbers or observation. Practically, a statistical method has been applied in every field of science and management to solve various problems. For example, in agriculture, is new seed or fertilizer is more productive? In medical science, what is the right amount of dosage of drugs to treatment? In politics, how accurate are the opinion polls? And in economics, what will be unemployment rate next year? Technical problem, how to improve the quality of product? Insurance company, what should be premium to be paid by customer? Let's go to our next topic, branch of statistics. Basically, there are two major types of statistics: descriptive statistics and inferential statistics. Descriptive statistics is all about organizing, summarizing, and making sense of data. In inferential statistics, we use sample data to make an inference about a population of data. The methods which are used in descriptive statistics are: the first one is construction of graphs, charts, and table. The second one is calculation of center tendency like mean, median, and mode, and dispersion and like range, variance, standard deviation. The methods which are used in inferential statistics are calculation of point estimation and interval estimation, and the second method is hypothesis testing. Both of these methods are based on probability theory. Now we will understand the process of doing the data analysis. First, we will collect the data and prepare it by structuring and removing any errors. Then we will summarize the data using graphs, tables, and calculate the descriptive measures like mean, median, standard deviation, range. These two steps, when combined, it is called descriptive statistics. If we go one step further, then we will do the analysis of data like exploring relationship between variables and compare groups. Now, after combining these three steps, it is called inferential statistics. So now we can say that descriptive statistics and inferential statistics are interrelated. Like when we take sample data from population, first we organize and summarize it with descriptive statistics before going for the inferential statistics methods. Now this finishes our first lecture, and I hope you have enjoyed it a lot. Thank you and happy learning.